Every time you need to research an unfamiliar industry trend or a regulatory update, an exhausting manual routine begins. You open dozens of browser tabs and spend the next hour scanning shallow marketing materials and corporate press releases, trying to separate useful facts from noise. Standard conversational artificial intelligence offers a fast alternative, but it often struggles with the rigor required for deep fact-finding. It can draft text rapidly, yet it lacks the mechanisms for verifying specific data points. This creates a black box problem. The system produces authoritative-sounding answers, but the missing links to the original source material make it impossible to verify where the information originated. Presenting unverified or hallucinated information to an executive board can instantly destroy strategic credibility. Relying on superficial summaries introduces unnecessary risk into your organization. Perplexity Pro Search addresses these limitations. It functions as an active answers engine that reads the live web and synthesizes comprehensive responses based on current data. Professional intelligence relies on information structured specifically for verifiable decision-making. The first step in a rigorous research workflow is explicitly enabling Pro Search. This activates the system's advanced reasoning and multi-step search capabilities. Instead of using short keyword queries, draft a comprehensive research brief. Clearly define your professional role, the background context, and the specific questions you need answered. This approach sets explicit analytical boundaries. While a standard query provides a narrow entry point, a structured brief organizes your context and goals into a precise framework for the engine to follow. Step 3 is setting strict geographical boundaries. Explicitly requesting local data prevents defaulting to generic global information. For instance, researching employment legislation in Auckland or Sydney requires geographic ring-fencing. This ensures the engine retrieves relevant compliance data rather than non-applicable summaries. By defining these exact boundaries, the professional ensures the artificial intelligence operates strictly within the required strategic context. Submitting a structured brief triggers an autonomous investigation. The system begins searching across the live web to address the complexity of your prompt. The engine analyzes your intent and breaks the prompt into logical sub-questions. It executes multiple independent searches simultaneously across diverse sources. If initial findings reveal gaps, the tool automatically runs follow-up searches, continuing until it uncovers the missing details to complete the report. Step 4 requires the professional to audit the inline citations generated in the synthesized report. Click through the numbered links to verify the evidence. Ensure sources are established government registries, official legal papers, or verified industry reports, rather than low-quality marketing content. Transparent attribution creates an auditable trail of evidence. You can evaluate source authority and verify facts before they leave your desktop. The 5th step uses the follow-up prompt container to refine the results. You can request structural adjustments to make the findings more actionable. You might command the engine to convert data blocks into a side-by-side comparison table or a concise executive summary. The result is a highly structured report where every metric is tied to numbered citations. This verified data can be pasted directly into an internal report or a briefing for your leadership team, significantly reducing the time spent on manual formatting. A research task that traditionally required a full morning of manual browsing can be completed with higher rigor in 15 minutes. Outsourcing repetitive data collection allows the human mind to focus on high-level analysis and risk mitigation. You spend your time where judgment is irreplaceable. Perplexity Pro Search converts web research into a rigorous, multi-step investigation, delivering the cited evidence required for professional decision-making.